Imagine a reality where your deepest desires effortlessly become your reality, where positivity and abundance flow into your life like a gentle river. This is the promise of the law of assumption, and today we'll unlock its secrets together. This is Spirit Over Mind. In today's meditation, discover the incredible potential within you as you learn to harness the law of assumption, a powerful principle that has the capacity to reshape your reality, attract positivity, and manifest your deepest desires. The law of assumption differs from the law of attraction in that, with the law of attraction, you're attracting something that you do not currently have. So, by taking this a step further, you can generate more power by believing in the law of assumption, assuming that the life you most desire is already real. In this guided meditation, I'm going to help you unlock the secrets to a more abundant, fulfilling life. Let go of self-limiting beliefs and embrace the unlimited possibilities that await you. Begin by finding a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Let's begin. Inhale, breathe in positivity, and exhale, releasing any tension or negativity. Again, inhale, breathe in that positivity, and exhale, releasing any tension or negativity. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Release all negativity that has been stored within you. Good. Continue to do this on your own throughout the meditation, and I'll jump in and remind you to breathe from time to time. Now, imagine a warm, soothing light surrounding you, protecting you, and filling you with warmth and love. Sit and breathe with this for a moment. Now, bring your awareness to your thoughts. Understand that your thoughts are powerful creators of your reality. What you think, you become. Continue breathing as you process your thoughts. Inhale, absorbing positive energy around you, and exhale, releasing any negativity that is held within you. Imagine yourself inhaling the energy of the universe, filled with limitless possibilities. And as you exhale, release any doubts or fears that may be holding you back. Continue to do this for a moment. Now, when you're ready, visualize a clear picture of your desires. Whether it's a goal, a dream, or a situation you want to manifest. See it in vivid detail, as if it's happening right now around you. What does this reality feel like? And more importantly, what do you feel like? Focus on that feeling. This is your reality, so feel it fully. Feel the emotions associated with this manifestation. The joy, excitement, and fulfillment it brings. Continue breathing as you sit with these feelings. Remember to inhale, absorbing positive energy around you, and exhale, releasing any negativity that is held within you. Now, repeat this mantra silently or aloud, whatever you think is more powerful for you. Repeat after me. I am the creator of my reality. I attract positive experiences into my life. What I assume to be true becomes my reality. Excellent. Repeat this anytime you are sitting in manifestation. Use it as a tool to help you continue to shift into this new desired reality. Now, imagine a powerful magnetic field around you, drawing your desires toward you, like a magnet attracting metal. Feel the pull getting stronger with each breath, as if you are the center of your universe. As you continue to breathe deeply, repeat the following affirmations in your mind or aloud. I am deserving of all the good that comes my way. I trust in the process of the universe. I believe in the power of my thoughts and assumptions. Excellent. Continue to imagine your desires materializing step by step right before your eyes. See yourself living your dream life with clarity and conviction. Embrace the feelings of gratitude for the manifestations that are on their way to you. Now, let go and surrender to the universe. Trust that it is working on your behalf, aligning circumstances and opportunities to bring your desires into reality. Now, as you take your final deep breaths, visualize your desires firmly established in your life as you inhale. And as you exhale, release any remaining doubts or resistance. Inhale, attract the desires into your field of energy. Exhale, releasing any doubts or resistance to this new life. Again, inhale, attract the desires into your field of energy. Exhale, releasing any doubts or resistance. Once more, inhale, attract the desires. Exhale, releasing any doubt or resistance. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment and open your eyes. And let's end this meditation with this positive mantra. Repeat after me. I am a powerful creator, and my thoughts shape my reality. I attract love, abundance, and positivity into my life effortlessly. I am grateful for all the blessings that flow to me. I assume it, and so it is. Excellent. Take a few moments to sit in stillness and carry this newfound sense of empowerment and positivity with you throughout your day. Remember, you have the ability to manifest your dreams through the law of attraction and the power of assumption. Trust in yourself and the universe's abundant flow of possibilities as you carry on throughout your life. I hope this meditation helped you. If it did, let me know. Leave a comment, send us a message, like, follow, subscribe, and share this podcast and channel with a friend or family member. Any and all support is truly appreciated. We hope to see you again in our next session.